Juggling is far more than a circus trick. It's a high-speed masterclass in physics and neuroplasticity. Break down the precise biomechanics required to keep objects in flight and reveal how this skill physically reshapes your brain. At its core, juggling is a beautiful application of projectile motion and parabolas. Every object you toss must follow a precise, symmetrical arc, with the height and timing dictated by gravity. If the launch angle deviates by even a few degrees, the pattern collapses instantly. Because you lack time to visually track each object, your brain relies on rhythmic proprioception. You aren't watching the balls, you're feeling the timing of the catch. But the most surprising element isn't physics, it's biology. Studies show that learning to juggle physically increases the gray matter in your mid-temporal area. This region is specifically responsible for processing visual motion. Unlike other hobbies, juggling forces your brain to create new neural pathways to handle multitasking in 3 dimensions. Think this is just about hand-eye coordination? You'll be shocked to learn how it impacts your memory. Stick around to discover the link between juggling and cognitive longevity. Ultimately, juggling is a physical manifestation of multitasking, requiring extreme focus and spatial awareness. By mastering this rhythm, you're expanding your brain's processing power. If you found this brain-boosting science fascinating, hit that button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mechanics of human skill.